Lakes are the quiet heartbeats of the world. They are vast mirrors reflecting the sky, serene sanctuaries of stillness, and vital hubs for unique ecosystems. From the shimmering, turquoise waters cradled by snow-capped mountains to the ancient, deep basins holding mysteries. Lakes are a powerful expression of natural beauty. Today, we embark on a serene tour to discover some of the world's most beautiful and breathtaking lakes. Lakes have a profound connection to the land that holds them. They can be remnants of ancient glacier, volcanic calderas, or tectonic shifts, each with a unique history etched into its shores. They are places of peace and contemplation, inviting us to slow down and witness the harmony of water, land, and sky. Join us as we journey to these liquid jewels of the planet. Our journey begins in Siberia, Russia, at the awe-inspiring Lake Baikal. The world's oldest and deepest freshwater lake. Holding over 20% of the world's fresh surface water, its scale is staggering. In summer, its waters are a stunning, deep blue. While in winter, it freezes into a mosaic of intricate ice formations, allowing one to walk across its vast, transparent surface and gaze into its crystal depths. Next, we travel to Italy to discover the elegant beauty of Lake Como. Tucked at the foot of the Alps, this Y-shaped lake is a symphony of natural splendor and architectural grandeur. Its tranquil waters are lined with picturesque villages and opulent villas, creating a timeless scene of harmony between human creation and the natural world. Lake Como is the embodiment of serene Italian romance. Our journey takes us to the Canadian Rockies and the stunning Lake Louise. Fed by a glacier, its waters possess an unreal, vibrant turquoise hue that changes with the light. Framed by towering mountains and a majestic Victoria Glacier, it is a truly iconic vista. The stillness of the water perfectly reflects the grandeur of its surroundings, making it a photographer's and nature lover's paradise. Finally, we ascend to the Andes Mountains to visit Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Located on the border of Peru and Bolivia, this sacred lake is steeped in ancient Incan and pre-Incan legend. Its vast, tranquil waters are home to a unique culture of communities living on floating islands made of reeds, a testament to the enduring human spirit and its connection to this awe-inspiring environment. From the ancient depths of Baikal to the breathtaking heights of Titicaca, lakes are a testament to the profound and diverse beauty of our planet. They offer a sense of peace and a moment to reflect on the world around us. Which of these serene lakes would you most like to visit? Let us know in the comments below.